Once motion has been guided, the next step is to transmit it, leading to the introduction of our second product family. Welcome to transmit motion. Transmit motion refers to the transmission of movement, for example, when a rotation becomes a linear movement. Mechanics play a major role here, one of our strengths. With highly reliable couplings, dampers, rocker arms or ball screws and gearboxes, we guarantee not only smooth but also efficient transmission of movements. Take the medical field for example. Our planetary screwdrives enable precise and gentle positioning of the patient tables. They convert rotational motion into linear motion with a simple, robust design, outstanding power density and impressively smooth operation. Due to their high power density, planetary screwdrives are suitable for actuators and can even replace hydraulic or pneumatic drives.